Right, deal with a soak away right here. Banking. This is more peanut right here, people. Telling you it's farming. All peanut farming. Even until the morning. St. Elizabeth. Peanut capital of the world. Rastafari soldier. The Crocus back farmer. Peanut man. Tell the welcome boys and girls. Farming is the life of the community. So we farm every day. And that's our beauty. Looking at the sunset over west to Westmoreland. That is what it looks like. Brilliant. Yes. No more life, no more joy, no more happiness, family and friends. Yeah. Subscribe, like and share in Jamaica, me there, you know.